Good morning. It doesn't work, but it's good morning. Good morning, fantasy family. Yeah, that doesn't work for the morning time. We're not doing that thing. I'm gonna figure out something else. Anyways, hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 23. I'm about to go cook. Well, I'm about to go to the supermarket so I can come back home and cook. So that's what I'm doing majority of today. I don't think that I'll be able to like kind of really show you guys how I cook my food, but more so I'll just show you guys snippets of like what's in my pot. What's in my pot, what's in my oven, do it like that, because I'm not gonna really be able to show you guys like what exactly it is that I'm making, like prop you guys up somewhere and then do it like that. I'm not gonna be able to do that, so I'm gonna just do it like that. But yeah, I already told you guys before, if you guys watch my other vlogmas, I'm making food for my brother's family. It's my boyfriend's family, my boyfriend's brothers. That's the reason why I said brothers. I'm making baked ziti, mac and cheese, fried chicken. But now he says barbecue chicken, so I'm like, dang, I guess I'm just gonna make my fried chicken barbecue chicken. It is what it is. Or I'll do half fried chicken, half barbecue chicken. I don't know. But the thing is the fact that I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to have no other choice but to also cook for my family too. So I'm going to be making twice the amount of meals in a sense. But I'm really just mainly just making 2 baked zitis. I'm not making more than that. Okay, because it's too much work and I don't have time for it. I don't have my wig on because I don't care to have my wig on because I don't have time for it. I don't. So heading to the supermarket now, and I'll come back on here when I get to cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have liked Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is really coming to an end, and I'm trying to have something special for you guys, like something more, you know, personal or whatever. But I don't know what to do. Whatever, I wanted to do like my Fenty beauty glosses videos, but I'm like, yo, it's like what, 10-11 days, 13 days since it's been out. Everybody doesn't have it already, and if you don't have it, I don't know, I just feel like it's enough videos and stuff out there for people to see like how it looks on people. And I've been wanting to do this, but because I was so busy, I haven't been able to do it, and now it's too late to do it. So it is what it is. I feel like I'm still gonna do like a little video, a little snippet for people that didn't do it, but I'm not gonna make it like the focus of my videos. So I'm trying to do something special for the end of Vlogmas. I just don't know what. I don't know what, but we'll see. All right, y'all, so I'm back home. I already started cooking and stuff. I have my mac and cheese prepped. I'm making 2 mac and cheeses. Okay, this one is going away, this one is staying here. I made 2 boxes, so it's not really enough for this pan, but it's gonna do. It is what it is. I'm about to start on my chicken real soon. My baked ziti. Well, the pasta for the ziti is, already boiling, you know, and doing what it needs to do. And then I'm about to start, I'm gonna season my chicken because I want the chicken to be seasoned for at least like, I usually like to season my chicken for like overnight, but I didn't have time to do that this time. So at least an hour or 2 I want it to be seasoned for. Add a little bit more water on top of this. Add a little bit more water. But I want it to be seasoned for at least 2 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then, yeah, I'll try to show you guys like the stuff when it's like prepped and everything, but Gorilla Scott when it's prepped and everything, but that's the most that I can do. Okay, guys, it is now about to be 8 o'clock, 7:56. I'm still cooking. I have to finish the fried chicken. The barbecue chicken is in the refrigerator. I have my baked ziti here, my mac. The other mac has the cover on it. I'm gonna show you guys a little sneak peek. I left my mac in the oven for a little bit too long, but such is life. you know, have a little crisp on it. My fish is marinating in vinegar and water sauce because I don't even call it a vinegar and water sauce, but basically just vinegar and water because it helps get rid of that fishy scent. Yeah, so I'm just about to finish cooking everything. I'm doing the soup right now. Hopefully I should be done by 9:30 because I have to leave my house to go to the airport to pick my boyfriend. So I'll get you guys when I'm done. I'm eating grapes right now. I'm hungry. Oh god. Alright, so I finished cooking. I'm gonna just show y'all really quickly because I already wrapped everything up and I'm like, dang, I forgot to show y'all. I'll show y'all the baked ziti. I'll show y'all some of the mac. So let me just go ahead and show y'all the chicken. The soup is still on the fire. It still needs to sauce out a little bit, you know, so I'm gonna let it do its thing. But this is, oh, let me put this on so I can see. This is the barbecue chicken on this side, fried chicken on that side. Okay, the ones that I'm leaving home right here. Let me show you guys. You see that? You see it, you see it, you see it, you see it, real juicy, looking like Popeyes right there. So I'm about to go and drop off the food, and then I gotta go, and then I have to go pick up my boyfriend from the airport, and yeah, because his flight lands at like 9:50, but you know sometimes planes land sooner than they're supposed to, so I don't want to get there exactly at 9:50 and he's like waiting for that long, so I'm trying to hurry up and get out. It is like 9:15 right now, so I want to hurry up and get there. And yeah, once I get back, or once I'm in my car or something like that, I'll close out this vlog. My camera's about to die, so I'm about to put on the charger. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I am back home. I am eating my food. I don't have any like extra lights. Does that help? Yeah, it does. So I'm eating my food. I just have some of the baked ziti. This is not a pleasing plate here, but I have some of my baked ziti, my barbecue chicken. I spent some time with my boyfriend and his family. I spent some time with my boyfriend and his family, just a little bit, because I was really tired. Like, I literally was cooking from 2 p.m. to 9. I love to cook for like a large gathering. Like I like to cook for a lot of people, but sometimes it just be feeling like, bro, like it'd be a lot on one person, and then on top of that I can't ask for help, because if something don't come out right, I'm a stickler for my food, because at the end of the day, if something come out bad or it tastes bad or whatever, that's my name that's on it. Everything that I do, I want to do it to my best capability. So when I'm cooking, especially when I'm cooking, because sometimes I be feeling like, I feel like I'm all over the place right now, but sometimes I feel like when you cook for a large group of people, it's very hard for your food to be, you know, the best that it can be. Whereas if you're just cooking for your family and you're cooking in portions and stuff like that, it's easier for you to be able to taste all the food and take your time and season well and all that other stuff. So it's already bad enough that you're making a whole bunch of like platters, basically like a little mini restaurant, so you're not really able to like taste all the foods. Hold on, because this is gonna keep on blinking and it's gonna annoy me. So you're not really able to taste all of the seasonings, and all the food is really not gonna be able to come out as great. A lot of times they do, especially when I say that, not to my own horn, but to not a lot of times they do come out exactly how you want it to, but sometimes they don't. You know, even if you cook for 20 years, you will have at least 1 or 2 mishaps where like your food just wasn't all that great, or 10. Honestly, or more. So where your food isn't all that great, or you missed something, or you forgot a certain seasoning or whatever. So when you're doing so much, you tend to forget certain things. And if somebody else is helping me, it's really hard for me to tell the person what it is that I put into my stuff, because even me, when I'm cooking, I can't really remember all the time until I'm like, oh yeah, it's missing this. You got what I'm saying? So I can't put nobody else responsible for helping me cook with my cooking, unless it's something super easy. Then I can help, then you can help me with that. But other than that, it'd be too much. So I can't have nobody help me, so I be doing everything on my own, and it be stressing me sometimes, but at the end it just be worth it, because everybody loves the food, and that's the part that I be happy about, like people enjoying their food and all of that. I love that. So enough of me ranting. Tomorrow I'm going to be going to a game night, hopefully. hopefully I go, because I know I'm tired and I probably won't even wake up. And I mean, by the time you guys see this, you guys are already gonna see the other video, day 23 Vlogmas up. I feel like when I started this video I said Vlogmas day 24, but it's actually Vlogmas day 20. No, I said Vlogmas day 23, but it's actually Vlogmas day 24. So you guys already see Vlogmas day 23. However, I did not upload it yesterday. I uploaded it today, which will be the day that you guys see this video, which will be tomorrow for me, earlier today. So I'm going to be basically posting 2 videos on the same day because I missed the day. I was too busy today to do anything. Like I said, I've been literally shopping and cooking since 12. So, and now it's like, I mean, I'm home now, but I didn't stop cooking until like 9:30. So it was a lot for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I know it was mainly just me just like cooking and just doing whatever, but this, like today and I think it was yesterday, well the day before yesterday, day 22's Vlogmas, where I didn't do anything, those are a lot of my days, which is the reason why I never wanted to do Vlogmas, because I was just like, I don't have things to post. And there are times when I'm just doing things like this and I don't know if people are interested in that or not. So you guys let me know if this video was still interesting. I just feel like it's not, because I'm not doing anything. I'm just grateful that majority of my Vlogmas this year, even though like it was COVID and we're in the middle of a pandemic, it was still very eventful and I was still able to spend it with people that I love and care about. So I'm just really happy about that. But I wasn't expecting that to happen when I planned to do this Vlogmas. I didn't think that I was gonna have as much fun as I did this month. And I love doing this because I feel like it's allowed me to really reflect on the people that I have in my life, and I really appreciate those small moments, because these moments, when I look at these videos, I be laughing still. Like, I watch these videos like 10 times and I laugh still, because it's just like, wow, like I really have great people in my circle and I love them. Like, it's a small circle, but they're there. And you guys mainly just seen like my friends. I'm really close to like my cousins, and I have like a whole nother group of friends that I didn't really show you guys here so much. You guys saw like a snippet of them in my cousin's grand opening, but like, it's just, yeah, I'm just grateful for the people that's in my life right now, and Vlogmas made me see that 100%. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. I'm going to take my Tula vitamin because I didn't take it. So let's go into day 11. So actually it's day 12. Day 12 is unleash. Day 12's affirmation is unleash your glow. Okay, and also I've been definitely using my cup. I feel like I need to start posting on Instagram of like the days whenever I try to. This is the reason why look at the way my box looks. The doors are supposed to be open, Fanta, not destroyed. My baby's calling me. Hold on, baby, I'm doing that. I'm closing out my video real quick. Hold on.
Okay guys, bye.
I'm keeping that. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take my vitamins, and like I was saying before, I need to start posting me open up these doors on Instagram. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas day 24. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is the last and final day of Vlogmas 2020. It's a bittersweet ending. Bitter because I really enjoyed doing this. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. It went by really, really quickly. Sweet because, baby, I'm tired. I'm tired. Like, I'm so freaking tired. Like, I just want one day to just relax and do nothing, and then I can get back into my groove again. But I need to relax. That's the only sweet part about it. But other than that, I really enjoy like making videos for you guys and putting it up there. But this is not the ending. This is not when I do my little speech or anything. So I'll get back on here tomorrow. See you guys. Bye. Just like the one that you